Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a try-on haul for you from SHEIN. I think it's mostly tops, might be a dress involved, but we'll get there when we get there. This is an exciting collaboration. Always in the description box below, you can link to any of these items. Check it out. I have a discount code, so I hope that you enjoy. All right, so apparently I really like this style because you're gonna notice a theme, but we have like the bellowy sleeve, a nice scoop neck. It's very roomy. This is an extra large. I probably could have got away with a large. The fabric is polyester, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna do in the summer. And it is staticky right now, but that's me, not the fabric. I mean, it's nice and long and roomy. I think this would be super cute if I had to dress up for something, you know, maybe with a pair of navy blue linen pants. But yeah, I like it a lot. I love the sleeve details over here. They are serged. If you can see, it's not a rolled hem. It's a serged hem and neckline. So keep that in mind if that's important to you. Yeah, so we got this green color. All right, this is also a 1X, same design, but this is more of a square neck. We have a little puffy sleeve over here with the elastic, also serged, not turned. I'm staticky, I can't help it. It is not as clingy as it is showing. I mean, I have plenty of room. This is also a 1X, which on SHEIN is a 14. Yes, a 14. Here is the back. Same fabric as the other one. It's a silky kind of polyester blend, but I do enjoy this square neck and the little bit of puff in the sleeves, and I like this print. Now there's no stretch to this fabric, so I don't know that I would go down a size just because there's no give to it. It is what it is, but I like this. I think it's a real springy pattern if I wasn't so staticky. I really like this one. It is almost like a linen. I mean, it's a faux linen, but look at the rickrack detail. I like it. I like that the sleeves are butterfly. You have your cut up here. So it's hard to see, but you have your cut up here instead of down here. But that gives it a little visual detail, along with the rickrack here at the bottom. I think it fits pretty good. Yeah, I am definitely going to enjoy this summer. I do love a linen blend. Obviously, it does not go with my athletic shorts, but I love this, and of course, I love a navy blue. Here we go. Here you can see a little bit of, just a little detail, a little zhuzhiness to it. But I think this would look super cute with a pair of white shorts, or even like for work, I would wear this with some white capris. I really think it's great. Fabric is more, like I said, it's more like a faux linen, so it has a softer feel to it. No stretch. This is a 1X, fits like a 14. I really enjoy this a lot, and I think I'm gonna have a good time wearing it this summer. I also like this scooped shape neck. It's a little tight in the shoulder. I mean, not tight, but snug in the shoulder, so I would not definitely size down because there's no give to it. But I really enjoy it. Okay, I got this dress. It's a 1X. It's way too big, and it feels like a hospital gown on me. But, I mean, I'm not saying it's not your style. The fabric underneath is like a cotton, like a quilting cotton almost. What I find bizarre is these motifs I anticipated would be stitched, and it's not. It's ironed on. It's almost like a rubber, so it sticks together. It's obviously too big on me. The pattern is cute, and I think this could be done well if it fit and gave me a little more shape like that. I think it would definitely be fun for the summer with some brown sandals. It's just too big. I don't know if I would belt it. I'm not sure. I mean, it's definitely decent quality. I love the detail here. The almost like embroidery on the sleeves and on the neckline. I don't think it's at the bottom. It is not, but it is a rolled hem. And this fabric does have some stretch to it. Like I said, I'm wondering if I washed it, if the sticky from this, whatever it is, would go away. I'm not sure. But it's definitely roomy, so I would need to size down a couple times for this to work. Or if it had some like ruching here, I think that would be nice. It just is too shapeless for me, but that is a me thing and not a dress thing. So that is everything I have from this time for SHEIN. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, check out the description box below. And yeah, we'll see what we can get up to next. Bye.